Hi! Today this video is going to be a little bit different. This is not a tutorial, this is just video because I wanted to talk with you to kind of tell you where I'm thinking of going next. So, for those of you who are on the Discord, I ran a little survey there to see like, get to know a little bit more who you guys are and how I can help you better. And then I've kind of settled down on some things that I wanna explore next. So what I want to do is I want to do dedicated server, Steam integration, and then game servers. So things like to have like features in your game that require content server. So in the survey that I did on the Discord, this is one of the things that people told me they wanted to learn. So I feel like that's going to be what I settle on. So for the Steam integration, there's going to be part that you guys are not going to be able to follow because there is that part where Steam costs something. So I'll probably also try to include the other platforms like PlayFab and Epic Online Game Services, so that we kind of have a kind of an SDK that can use those platforms to build the game. That's kind of what I'm thinking on. For most of the thing inside Unity, you're going to be able to follow because you can still use the app ID of Spacewar, the one that by default comes with the SDK. But I wanted to share this experience with you guys, and I want to learn this more. I already did a little prototype on my side of Steam authentication, and then saving the information, having my dedicated server register with my backend services, so that I can do custom matchmaking, and maybe at some point do the lobby on my side too. But I think this is going to be a great series. There's going to be a lot to learn, but the format may be a little bit more difficult to follow, I guess. Like since I'm entering some kind of part of my life where I'm going to be incredibly busy, I'm going to try to make video as polished as possible, but I also want to put content out for you guys so that you're not always waiting for my videos, because I know I'm assuming at some point like you guys must be waiting a little bit for when it's a series and you want the next video out, and you might have already went through the series. So and I don't want to hold you back. So I'm thinking about maybe doing it in a format where I do a live stream, and then I edit the recording and put it on YouTube. So even in the structure of the video, it's going to be a little bit more loose, because since it's not going to be as tutorialized as before, then you're gonna have a lot of things like going on in the video. We're gonna cover a lot of ground in the video, but I'm gonna try to mark them, the chapters correctly, so that you guys can still jump from one end to the other. I'll also advertise in Discord whenever I'm gonna go on stream, to make sure that you guys can also ask question live if you want to. Yeah, so that's gonna be that. I'm hoping you guys are gonna be with me for that chapter 2, and yeah, that's it. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.